Hi guys, and welcome back to another behind the scenes video. This shoot was a beauty shoot just against a plain white wall and later against a big reflector, or actually deflector because I used the black side as the background. So a while ago I got a message from this makeup artist on Instagram who wanted to do a shoot with me, and I was like, why not? So I asked a model that I've worked before and we ended up doing a beauty shoot with 3 different looks. The first look was all about simplicity, basically a conventional beauty shoot with a very neutral makeup just to enhance the natural beauty and to add some youthful glow. For this setup I used a large softbox, a shoot-through umbrella and a reflector. I put the softbox from a higher angle to get that soft light all around, and the umbrella was almost horizontally, maybe slightly tilted down, so that the center of the face would be lit nicely, and that also helps to mitigate dark circles as well. The second look was more of a vintage look with a hint of chocolate as the lips were quite on the brown-red side. We also had this blouse that fit the vibe perfectly, and it was actually bought a while ago from Anttila that has been out of the business for a while now, so yeah, it was quite old. I personally enjoyed this look the most because it gave the model and me the chance to go for more of a grungy vibe. And for this look I only had a small reflector umbrella to give a bit harsher shadows, thus contributing to the edgy vibes. I kind of put it on the side of the model because that way you'll naturally have more shadows. And here you can see my friend capturing my flamingo shooting stance. Also, my friend was kind enough to take some behind the scenes footage, so there is actually video footage from more than just 1 or 2 angles, so hooray for that! And for the last look we did some eyeliner and put this belt with a flower on top of our model's head. Truth be told, it was a bit challenging to shoot this look, but we managed to get some shots. And I mean, the model posed so nicely, so it'd be even hard to fail a beauty shoot with her. So here are the shots from the last look. I personally like the second look the most, but feel free to share your opinion down below. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.